What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys just now seeing this channel, uh, feel free to go through some of my videos. It's all about different things, but mostly about cars. And I'm just gonna make this video today about my Avalanche Z71. It's a 2002, and I went and got a 6-inch lift kit, Rough Country, and I'm replacing the shocks. They didn't send me shocks for the back. They sent me shocks for the front, which is kind of weird why they wouldn't send you shocks for the back with the kit. But I had to order them separately, so I'm just taking them off the rear today, and I'm gonna put the Rough Country shocks on. But I'm still gonna change the front shocks because I just don't like them. And only thing you need, only tools you need for this is 13, 16th, and a 21 millimeter. I'm using a 21 millimeter socket and a 13, 16 wrench. So pretty much that's all you're gonna use. I took one shock off already, which is this right here, the old one, which is Bilstein. As you can see, the Bilstein shocks, it's pretty wore out, so it's gonna change it anyway. But like I said, I don't understand why Rough Country didn't send shocks for the back, but they did for the front, which is, like I said, it's kind of crazy, but whatever. So I got the shocks in, and this is the box that they came in. As you can see, Rough Country has been having a lot of problems out of their shock systems for a while now. You know, a lot of people don't like them, and they've been trying to do better and better and better. So, you know, I don't know, but I'm going with the Bilsteins in the front. I'm waiting on them to come in, and I'm going to do a video with them. And I'm going to keep these on the back of it, these Rough Country shocks on the back. But I just want to show you guys what I'm doing to this Avalanche today. I haven't made a video of the truck ever since I got it lifted. I've been meaning to do that. It's nothing wrong with the truck. I just ain't had time to do it because I just been so busy with so much. But I will be having a video come soon of the truck. But it's got the 6-inch lift. It's got the 6-inch lift. And I got 22s on 35s. You can see, still brand new tires. Rims are freaking brand new. From the other videos, I posted videos back in the day where I had just bought the rims and stuffs and the lift kit and all. So as you can tell, the front of it is still brand new. I don't have any problems with the Rough Country kit yet. Only problem that I did have was I don't have any bump stops up front, so I gotta get those, and I want to swap the front shocks out. But as I said before, I'm keeping the rear shocks. I'm finna put them in now, but I'm gonna keep them as is. And I just wanted to let you guys know, I left the other shock on right there, so you can see. You got 2 bolts to take out. That's it. It's pretty much a easy job. Probably 20-30 minutes at the most. So there's no need to taking your car to a mechanic and letting them charge you $150 to $200 just to put some shocks on when you can just do it yourself. You drink a beer, take a shot of liquor, and you have it done in no time. So stop wasting your money on these mechanics out here and do it yourself, especially if you love your own vehicles. You appreciate them more if you work on them yourself. But anyway, guys, I'm not gonna hold y'all long. Welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, I got a couple of new subscribers, so y'all go through the videos. Something you like, something you don't like, dislike it. Feel free to comment on them. And thanks for watching. And I'll give you an update on the whole suspension kit and my whole build for this thing. So we'll get with y'all next time. Alright guys, so I was gonna let you go, but I wanted to show you that I got the shock on, made in China. So there it is. Put the bolt back up in there, the new Rough Country bracket on there. And she's on. Did you just fart, girl? Okay, did you just fart? Don't be running out. Daddy heard you fart. You little nasty. Anyway, guys, sorry about that. My little girl farting everywhere. Okay. So, there it is. Another boat at the top. And she's on there. Probably took 2-3 minutes at the most to put that one shock on. Alright. You guys want to subscribe? If not, check in from time to time, see what I got going on. Cooter out.